warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself, my name is Fatrihan Fabian. Here I will about analyzing consumer market and business market. Business market analysis. Business market characteristic. 1. Ledger purchase volume. Organization usually purchase goods or service in large quantities to meet operational or production needs. In contact to individual consumer who purchase in similar volume. 2. Closer relationship. Business build long-term relationship with supplier to ensure quality, trust, and ongoing collaboration which is critical to supply chain and operational efficiency. 3. Derived demand. Demand in the business market depend on the demand for consumer goods. For example, a business purchase raw material for production that are influenced by trend in the consumer market. Consumer market analysis focus on individual purchasing behavior, preference, and trends. Meanwhile, business market analysis needs organization purchasing process as well as supplier customer relationship for effective decision making. Consumer market refer to individual or household who purchase goods and service to meet their personal needs. Example include purchasing clothing, food, or entertainment service. Thus, consumer purchase product for end use, not for resale or use in future production. On the other hand, business market consists of organization or company that purchase goods and service to support their operation, production, or for resale. Example are manufacturing company that buy raw material to produce finished goods, or companies that buy office equipment for internal needs. In contrast to consumer market, purchasing decision in business market often involve more consideration such as price, quality, and effective because these purchases have a direct impact on the productivity and profitability of the business. Consumer market analysis factor that influence consumer behavior. 1. Cultural factor. Value, belief, tradition, and social norms that shape consumer preference and behavior in shopping. 2. Social factor. Reference group, family, social roles, and status influence product choice and consumer behavior. 3. Personal factor. Age, occupation, economic condition, lifestyle, and consumer personality determine preference and purchasing decision. 4. Psychological factor. Motivation, perception, learning, belief, and attitude influence how consumers understand and respond to product or service. Business buying process. Problem recognition. The purchasing process begins when a business identification a need or problem, such as a shortage of raw material or new equipment that requires or purchased to improve operation. Supplier search. Once a need is identified, the business search for potential supplier who can provide product or service according to the required specification either through research or networking. 6. Supplier evaluation. Supplier RS based on criteria such as price, product quality, delivery capabilities, reputation, and ability to meet the company's specific needs. Purchasing decision. After a thorough evaluation, the business takes with supplier to cost based on suitability of needs, price, quality, and service guarantees. Performa evaluation. After purchasing, business evaluates their experience with the supplier, ensuring product accuracy, on-time delivery, and where agreement were properly fulfilled. Comparison of consumer and business market. Purchase decision consumer typical make more emotional purchasing decision influenced by personal preference, trends, and feeling. In contrast, business then to be rational and analysis based, considering factors such as price, efficiency, and long-term impact on operation. 2. Relationship. The relationship between consumer and reseller is often transactional, limited to a one-time purchase. In business market, relationship tend to be more relational and long-term, where collaboration and trust between supplier and buyer are essential. 3. Volume and value of purchase. Purchase in the business market usually have a much greater volume and value than individual consumer, because business purchase in large quantities to meet continuous and ongoing operational or product needs. Difference in market analysis. Fundamental difference in consumer and business market analysis includes how companies formulate their marketing strategy. In consumer market, strategy more often focus on 1. Branding, creating a strong brand image to appeal to consumer emotion. 2. Promotion, using attractive advertising and marketing campaigns to reach consumer directly. 3. Personalization, tailoring product and service to meet consumer individual needs. While in the business market, company must focus on 1. Relationship, build long-term partnership with supplier and customer to create share value. 2. Negotiation, use an analysis-based approach to negotiate favorable price and terms. 3. Data analysis, using data to evaluate supplier performance and make informed decision. The importance of understanding the market. Understanding the difference between consumer market and business market help company design more target marketing strategy. With a tailored approach, company can meet the needs of each market segment more effectively, increase customer satisfaction, and ultimately achieve competitive advantage. In today's era of globalization and digitalization, in-depth market analysis is more important than ever. With rapid change in consumer preference and market dynamic, companies that are able to adapt quickly will be more likely to success. Allow companies to take advantage of opportunity and face challenge better. Conclusion: understanding the difference between consumer market and business market is essential for company to adapt their marketing strategy. Consumer market tend to be more emotional, traditional, and have small purchase volume. Meanwhile, the business market is more rational, relational, and involves a greater volume and value of purchase. Company must adapt their approach for consumer market, focus on personalization, branding, and emotion for business market. Emphasis efficiency, quality, and long-term relationship. A depth understanding of each market allow companies to meet customer needs more effectively, increase competitiveness, and maximum profit.